is going to go between the frame of the window and the framing of the house. I want to put it as far back in there as I can without letting it bust through the other side. Spray the water first so that the water can get up into the substrate and have it provide a good environment for the foam to actually stick.
So it helps it stick to the property that it's being sprayed into.
That's the theory.
Or against, okay.
Start at the bottom because we want the foam to stack on itself.
So you're getting ready to trim out the window that you've been working on. And I noticed that you're not using wood. You're using a product called Versatex. Why Versatex over wood?
Because it doesn't rot and it holds paint exceptionally well. And it stands up to the Texas climate.
So you have a choice as to whether you want a smooth finish or a textured finish. And I understand for this job you're going to go with a textured finish to match up the rest of the trim around the house. Okay,
That's correct.
excellent. Let's see the application.
The back seal is to help it adhere even better. It's going to slow or prevent expansion in extreme weather. And it's a first layer of defense against moisture infiltration.
Because the window is sticking out past that first layer of trim, you're going to have to do a second layer, correct?
That's correct.
And you back seal that just like you back sealed the first layer.
That's right. That's right. Second layer of back seal.
Second layer of defense, yeah. And then you screw the ends of the boards, and that prevents it from curling and warping. Nice job.